Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You will not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies globally today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of February, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -8.5. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this period. The exchange-traded fund experienced a loss of -28.68%. This translates to an average loss of -4.10% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a very wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is suggested, but there may be instances of false breaks and sell-offs. Nevertheless, a further decline seems plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point of $23.47 are seen as a second chance to exit. According to fan theory, $15.70 could represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is still too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of 10.94% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 1.93% to 35.67%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of 32.09%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from a decrease of 69.62% to an increase of 74.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6.23 and $35.72. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, High Volatility in SOXL ETF Price on Monday, which ended trading at $20.51. The SOXL ETF price fell by 9.79% on the last day, which was Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, from $22.73 to $20.51. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 20.40% per strength, reaching a low of $19.71 and a high of $23.73. The price has shown significant volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 28.18% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 30 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 140 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.87 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $19.71. Currently, the price is 70.74%, or $49.58, below the 52-week high, and 94.58%, or $357.74, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, commonly referred to as SOXL, is encountering notable difficulties as the semiconductor sector exhibits signs of weakening. Recently, SOXL has dropped to $26.30, representing an astonishing 62% decline from its peak earlier this year, primarily influenced by a diminishing artificial intelligence bubble. Furthermore, competition from technology giants such as Google and Amazon in the graphics processing unit market is escalating, resulting in decreased demand for NVIDIA's products and further constricting profit margins across the sector. Analysts are increasingly categorizing SOXL as a strong sell, pointing out inefficiencies in its ability to track its benchmark index. Despite this turbulent environment, some perspectives view the recent market decline as a potential buying opportunity. The semiconductor market remains essential for economic growth, and there is optimism that a recovery may be on the horizon. However, the volatility characteristic of leveraged exchange-traded funds like SOXL heightens both the risks and the chance for amplified returns. In the short term, the bearish outlook could apply downward pressure on the stock price. Conversely, for investors with a longer time horizon, a rebound in the semiconductor sector might lead to an increase in SOXL's value. Ultimately, while presenting high-risk profiles, these dynamics highlight the compelling yet precarious nature of investing in SOXL within a rapidly changing marketplace. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal derived from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $24.55 and $28.02. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 20th, 2025, and since then it has declined by 35.32%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger buy signal 51 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 143 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the exchange-traded fund may perform poorly in the coming days. This ETF may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $4.02 between its high and low, which translates to a change of 20.4%. In the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 13.78%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $21.75. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this might be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the ETF could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such scenarios. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop-loss in place. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment choice? The SOXL ETF presents several negative indicators and is currently experiencing a significant downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate continued weak performance over the next few days or weeks. Based on this analysis, we hold a negative view of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical aspects, we have revised our assessment from a sell to a strong sell. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of March, we project that SOXL will open higher by 81 cents, starting at $21.32. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.